Money vibes.
Oh, waste, man. Move your pussy clout, come on your face, you know. Walk trying to keep your blood clot off of me. Pussy one. Drunk my man, bust up your blood clot. Bumper cats, I'm way evil. Bumper cats.
Ask about me and Kingston. Original big man.
Hold your blood clot seat, boy, you idiot. Hold your seat, boy. Hey, no mind what you doing, no man. Hold him there, no madman, nothing. No. Yo, no hold a mad boy there. That boy. That bumper clock boy, let us sit down. How you want to do? Open your window. How you do it, Paul? Mad bumper clock, hey.
Him man a come for you.
I'll kick you right on him prick.
One him prick.
In line something there, so.
One him long something.
In hood. Listen, man, easy, you know.
Me know you're not easy. You broke me out.
I broke you out. You broke in long time, so you need little broken. Oh, God, never lay down. I feel like the door open.
You tell us say man come.
Huh?
You tell us say your boyfriend come.
Oh, God.
To come lay down with you.
Lay down with me?
Mm-hmm.
Kick him like I said, find back where I come from. Oh.
So where you going with now morning, yeah?
Huh?
Where you going with?
I'm not feeling well, man.
You want to go to doctor?
Hmm?
Want to go doctor?
Hmm. You know, that gone bad, it makes me go doctor.
You want to go that bad? Okay, good to know.
The bank was supposed to close, but they leave it open. The friggin' asshole step around there, step in. I mean, they could chop off their ass with me piece of my shit. You think me joke?
Me know you're a bad girl, brother.
Huh?
Me know you're a bad girl.
Oh.
Up on a Christian girl, and she tell me say that me for come church. So I ask her, me for come church for? I tell her say me know the emperor. She tell me say, me tell her say she look, but she say she belong to Jesus and she belong to Jesus. She want to come on my yard. She want me give her this and give her that. So I tell her say, well, when you come in on me hood, you have to come for the what? Come in on me hood, you have to come for the ha. Come in on me hood, you have to come for the what? Tough like a iron, hard like a rock. Come in on me hood, you have to come for the. Come in on me hood, you have to come for the what? Come in on me room, you have to come for the. Tough like a iron, hard like a. She said, you know what she said to me? She said she not give me no boom boom cause she no slack. She married to Jesus and him got she back. Same time, everything see she like me say she broke like a stick and she close them no match. She said she soon get a job watch. She tell me say she want a me Rolex watch. Me tell her take off your panty and just catch. Start up the action and just stop chat. Come in my room and just come for the what? Come in my room you have to come for the what? Come in the room you have to come for the what? Tough like a iron, hard like a rock, you know, man. She take me to church, she want to invite me to the pastor, you know. She take me to the church, want to invite me to the pastor. Me tell him move aside, King Selassie the master. He's a pant up at the throne, none sit after. And a joke, and a laughter. Him live in big house in Benzema pastor. She little money, she give collection half. And me tell the pastor, hey, we do Selassie a rata. In the meantime, me have to fuck this daughter. Come in my room, you have to come for the what? Come in my room, you have to come for the. Come in my room.
No, where you say happen? You can get $150 for your Aki and you tell him to share in a half. And he give you $100 out of it. Yeah, and he should have give you more.
Yeah.
Of course, he should have give you more for the show. Yeah, he should have give you $200 out of it. Yeah, man. I fuck her, man. I fuck her. Because if you really sell your hockey for $150 and you tell him to give you half my money and then give you $100 and I go $200 asking for all that and then give you $100, him a real fucker for true. I'm a good boy. I'm a good boy. Indian, like I'm Indian. I'm Indian. Indian. That me tell you, Indian I'm pussy, you know. That get truth, Gray. Hey, look at now. A woman sell the aki. The man Indian picky aki. And then sell the aki for $150. So she said she want half my money. And Indian give her $100. Indian should have give her more. Yeah, Indian should have give more. Yeah, man. I had just half my money you want and he give you $100. Yeah.
No. Indian bad there, so.
Indian too good.
I'm fuck.
Too good, man.
I'm fuck. Indian fuck.
Indian are fuck.
Indian sell it, he give you 150 and you are 100. That mean him take 50.
Yeah.
So she go back out there.
See, I told you the actually 5 boy will give you
And she like get the 150.
200.
Oh, that 150.
Yeah, it's tough for sure, dog.
I was Sunday school he go. Give me some matter.
It's tough for sure.
How the boy when you Michael Plaxon, aka Fake Jackson. I want to tell you a dead boy. I either link in forward for, let me tell you this. Hey, Matic pan side we boss out your maga face. Right now, true, you can't violate, you just attack with your suck pussy gate. Right now, true. The producer where you link with him a punk and him can't style idol boss. When me tell you this dog, me a kill everybody brawling. The girl where your wife up, no she that a muckers. Fi idol dog. Right now true you just kiss a girl when she suck on cock. Nobody taste idol boss cause me we make you look like a mixed clad parts. Right now true. You are say you are Michael Fake Jackson. Don't bother feel like say you can't ask him. Bury that for free dog. You mean a trust nobody in at the same card. Remember. One idol boss brawling. Some boy need to know. Next day take your chicken pill and go to your flipping pill. Right now chew your shitting bill and you talk about your girl write a lyrics. Berry boy for fun. Ask on the spot news media. You see me? Remember. I want idol boss. Anyway boy. Then me I got class. Me a fi restmatic in your face make you know say you're fat. I want idol boss. Remember. Don't play. Michael Blackson.
Yeah, fuck for me.
Even need 2 of me, dog. 2.
It's like I'm sister in one day, man. Where
Oh,
Don't follow me up, you.
Don't say.
My friend. What on that? I'm on a bad man. The white man, a bad man. Yo, Papa.
When the police and all bad are out, so what then?
Yo, we say man, we can't stand this one now. We say this is what we can say. Man, it's what you want to chip, man, you know.
What your name, boy? My name Barasa.
Woof! Buff! You know, what my name, boy? My name good also. Hey, you went up with us too. Hey, the man that could have talk up going up. I'm not about your name, but you can't tell. Yo, what do you look for? Man, road so. What do you say your name?
Killer.
Killer.
What you name?
What time you say?
Police or soldier?
Killer. I'm soldier, but you don't know. I reckon your name Killer. Let's say it's your name Killer. Radam. When you get the...
Dragon Crown versus Dogman Part 1.
Yo! Where my money?
Yeah, but I Elliot, pussy
Where
one.
my money there? Where my money
Yo,
there?
don't fuck with me, blood clot.
Where my money
Don't
there?
be me bomb clot dog.
Mister, me not have the dog. You dog gone.
You want me to take your bomb clot fight? Don't fuck with bomb clot me.
Hey boy, me kill you right now and drink your blood clot, buddy.
You can't bumbo clot violate. You don't come side of me.
Bumbo clot tapping me. Yo, give me bumbo clot, dog. What the fuck do you? Don't make Satan take you over. Yo, tell him. Tell him. I see him here, yeah, they go with me, dog. For months. Don't make your bumbo clot take you.
Oh, remember? No.
I tell me, your dog
dead. Your dog not there.
Bumbo, why are you take him? How you take him? Try that stuff.
You never give me him.
Alright.
You never give me him. No, me ask if you never give me him.
Let's start this.
You never give me dog.
Joker.
You never give me dog.
Again, you Joker tune and play. I have blood clot 3 points. Go! Go fuck with me, dog. Me dog them. People like bumbo clot me. Don't make me bumbo clot people. Give me pussy clot dog come. I'm in $100. Pussy clot life.
Grandson tell grandfather Safi know the code.
So who we call for come a road?
You know me?
You feel a donkey pussy. It's a blood clot, man. Call you for come a road. I'm all on you with the blood clot, you call you for come a road. Boy, you know no fucking thing. Man, get yourself here, man. You're mad. Call you for come a road. You're mad. Mad, this blood clot boy mad, man. With this bomber clot boy tell me 416. For what? 416 for what?
Yeah, brother, I code, man. Believe me.
Code? What kind of code?
Definitely, you want the code, I don't tell you.
One bomber clot code, we come a road every day. I never get a code, we come a blood clot road. That's tell me some man. Blood clot fucking idiot getting more code. You never have no code thing in the brother. You know code a bomber clot in the come a road.
So, hey, like you say, you don't know nothing more than road code?
No, sir. You know road code for driving in a vehicle and all these things. Road code, never read road code book.
So, shotgun, how kind of code
What
that?
code you tell about 416?
What kind of code that?
Where the blood clot 416 come from? And when you put that blood clot in, you hear that? What did the man go and move your bomber clot? Tell me fucking big man and tell me about blood clot 416. You hear that, man? What the fuck here, man?
Me now reach and look for. Why? I'm going to show for me, for me not live forever. We get put a shot, a man back from a man and put a shot. So man I reach and never know say rich. He might ride bicycle. I wear so whole time jacket. Like him a hide. Like him no want give a man $1. He now reach and look for. He can't buy with the biggest bank then. Not a soul. City. When you pass them place, you feel rich, you know. Not a soul, you know. I said, I want to feel. Because I now come here, come stay forever. No, you're going to live forever. So you're going to make your money, spend the money for you. I look good. I look rich. A man can't get even a penny or a dollar from you. You know what I mean?
But you look rich.
That's what I stay for me a little bit. But hey, here's some people say they don't want rich. I want rich. Because when I'm young, I say, well, I think to get rich by a thing of milk. And poor to all and drink the milk. But do it 10 times, I get big, you know. Me Clyde. Me Clyde.
What say, man?
Man, fuck you dog, kill him and dash him.
Run it dog, run it. Run it dog, run it.
Ask this man.
Run it.
Never run it. I know dog.
Run it. Tell the people, man.
People, dog, run it. This man give me a dog.
Yeah.
People, this man give me a dog. And then the man said, I give me a dog. You don't sell me him. Look for the video, people. And the man say, want to kill me for your dog. Hey, they're making a noise. Boss, man, the boss off his face now. You don't know, because I know me have him dog. Big man thing, people. I may take him, but I don't have him. You run me for no night for the same day.
Listen.
Yeah, people.
You know about me other dog when me sell. The man name and pay me for him and then he give me my sell him. This dog say he want the dog. I say $5 grand. See? The man say he go give me, he want $1,000 for the dog. So I say give me 100, he give me 100. Good over here for the 100, give me. By the time I saw the chatty boy carry dog gone over here.
I give me that already.
So you don't owe me $900 now?
No man, for real, man. You owe $900.
Yesterday me did give me myself, yo. Me have a dog and fuck the man the yard, so me can't give him.
So you have a
pussy man, a dog him a fuck, I make it.
I'm gonna lie to people, me don't fuck the dog, just for living.
I want him.
I don't want him.
Yo, if man say hear a dog crying in my house, the man tie up the dog. I'm pretty blood clot dog, look like pit bull. White and black. For the man see dog, you see him there, he look. And this man, as the man see me, I say, I feel now. I say, pussy will kill my dog. That's what I tell you. Turn around yourself, make the answer. I say, carry the dog, the man say, yo, hold on. The dog go under there, so. I say, take the dog. When me look, inside the dog, me see. When me look the dog under there, me run him up. The dog come to this man. See? And I say, pussy will kill over my dog. I know you not pay me for him. And the pussy will take me rat catcher $50,000 only give me $250.
So be a scam boy, scam now.
I change it out again. The mate is there too. You say you buy $50,000 I give you
Yes, every man is out a thief. You're not a thief. You're not a thief, man. Always, so when I get catch it, everybody knows you're a blood clot thief. And when you're a thief in the community, I need my car ring hard. You say, when you turkey, you just say a blood clot, yo. And when you for dead, you rock it up.
Wow, T-Pastor. Wow, T-Pastor.
Blood clot, you know.
What do you pastor now?
A pastor no begging money in a God name. I'm banking a fee name. Who know God? All of them praise God. You ever see God face for your man? Never seen it. Everyone love God, so everybody never can have one banner. Believe on one church, everybody will go to one church. 10 different churches blood clot, but just $2 kind. 2 shillings. Oh, and remember the method so far. I'm belly. You are fat in the boy. I was fat to ass and you land well cut. You are pussy.